Welcome back to this video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step on how to move video file from phone internal memory to SD card without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Android tricks. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you need to do is to simply go to settings. So I'm going to click on here to access my phone settings. So it takes you to this particular page. Next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down, and then you have to look for storage right here. So click on storage. So having click on storage, take you to your phone storage. So at the bottom right here, make sure you check your SD card. Okay, having checked your SD card, you can simply exit from here. Then you have to head over to your phone gallery. So I'm going to click on here, and I will click on my phone gallery right here. So just like so, I will have to look for video file on my phone gallery right here. So this is video file. So I'm going to click on here. Then I have all the video file right here. Okay, what I'm going to do here is to simply select a particular video I want to move from my phone memory into my SD card. So I'm going to simply click and hold down. So I'm going to select, you can select as many as possible video. So you can see 3 selected, 4 selected, 5. Everything depends on how many of the video you want to move from your phone to your SD card on your phone. So I'm going to simply move just one video. So having selected the video, next thing I'm going to do is to click on these 3 dots from the top. Then take me to this particular page. So at this point here, I have to make sure I click on move to SD card. I'm going to select on that. Then in a few seconds, you can see it's been moving from my internal memory into SD card. It's as simple as that. So by the time we refresh, so you can see now the video has fully changed to SD card. Basically, this is how to move as many as possible video file from your phone internal memory to your SD card without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial on how best to use Android phone. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.